Uncover the details, the art of scrutinizing. Hello, dear viewers. Today we're diving into a very interesting English word that often pops up in formal conversations: scrutinize. We'll explore what it means, how you can use it in your everyday conversation, and some examples to clarify its usage. So, whether you're preparing for an English exam, want to improve your vocabulary, or just curious about the language, this video will help you understand how to use scrutinize effectively. Scrutinize is a verb that is often used when talking about examining something very carefully. When you scrutinize, you look at the details of something very closely, with an attention to detail that you might not use in a casual observation. Think of it like looking at a diamond to find the tiny flaws or inspecting a contract to find any hidden terms that could be important. Now, let's see how to fit scrutinize into a sentence. You can say, the editor scrutinized the manuscript for any errors, which means that the editor is examining the manuscript very closely for errors. Another example is, the detective scrutinized the crime scene for clues, indicating that the detective is looking very closely at the crime scene to find clues. It's important to know when to use the word scrutinize. It's a word that carries a sense of depth and thoroughness and is typically used in more formal or serious contexts. You wouldn't use scrutinize for a casual look, like checking your appearance in the mirror, but you would use it for situations that require deep attention, such as reviewing legal documents, analyzing a report, or investigating an issue. If you're looking to vary your language, there are several synonyms for scrutinize that you can use. These include inspect, examine, analyze, review, and audit. Each of these words shares the common theme of looking closely at something but can be used in slightly different contexts. A good way to remember scrutinize is to associate it with looking through a magnifying glass. Just as a magnifying glass helps you see small details clearly, to scrutinize is to study something with the same level of clarity and attention. Thank you for watching our video on the word scrutinize. I hope now you feel more comfortable using this word in your own vocabulary and understand the depth it can bring to your conversations. Remember, scrutinizing isn't just about looking. It's about looking with purpose and attention to detail. Keep practicing, and you'll be scrutinizing like a pro in no time. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more language tips. Happy learning!